Today we're going to talk about something very interesting that can happen on hills and mountains. It's called a landslide. A landslide is when a lot of earth, like rocks, mud, and soil, suddenly slides down a slope. It's like when you build a big sand castle, and part of it gets too heavy and wet and slides down. Now, who has the first question?
Excuse me, Ms. Sisca, what causes a landslide? Why does the dirt just fall down?
That's a wonderful question, Felicia. The main reason is gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls everything down. Just like when you drop your pencil, it falls to the floor. Sometimes the ground on a hill gets too heavy or weak, and gravity pulls the earth down. This can happen after very heavy rain, or even an earthquake.
Excuse me, Ms. Sisca. May I have a question? What does a landslide look like? Is it like a river of mud?
You're very close, Ben. It can be different things. Sometimes it is a fast river of mud. We call that a mudslide. Other times, it can be a big section of rock and dirt tumbling down. It can be slow or very, very fast. It can cover roads and even houses.
That sounds scary. Are there warning signs? How can we know if one might happen?
Excellent thinking, Felicia. Yes, there are some signs. We might see cracks in the ground on a hill. Doors or windows in a house on a hill might suddenly get stuck. Or we might see water bubbling up in new places on the ground after a big storm. It's important to tell an adult if you see something like that.
Can you tell me more about it? What should we do if we see a landslide starting?
Safety first, Naomi. The most important thing is to get away quickly. Don't stop to watch. You should move to higher ground if you can, or go to the side, away from the path of the slide. And always, always, listen to adults and emergency workers for instructions.
That sounds scary, very scary, Ms. Sisca. Can we stop landslides from happening?
We can't stop them completely, Ben, but we can help prevent them. People plant trees and grass because the roots hold the soil together like a net. They also build strong walls called retaining walls to support the soil. The best prevention is being careful about how we build on hills.
My last question, Ms. Sisca. After a landslide, is the land safe?
A very smart question, Felicia. After a big landslide, the land can be unstable, which means it might not be safe for a long time. The ground might be soft and could slide again. Scientists and engineers need to check the area carefully before people can go back. Wow, look at the time. You all asked such fantastic questions. You are now landslide experts. Remember, nature is powerful, but by learning about it, we can stay safe. Great job, everyone. Watch the video and reflect on its main ideas. Then write your answers to the questions below. 1. What causes a landslide? 2. What does a landslide look like? 3. Are there warning signs for a landslide? 4. What should we do if we see a landslide starting? 5. Can we stop landslides from happening? 6. After a landslide, is the land safe?
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.